What's up YouTube? My name is Conrad, and in this video I'm going to talk about how much it costs to start your Amazon wholesaling business. So if you're new and you're interested in starting this type of business, watch this video and I'll break down my startup costs, and I will also show you my monthly expenses so that you can get a better idea of what operating this business actually costs. So let's go into the startup costs. So in order to operate this type of business, what you have to do first is to establish a business entity. And you need that in order to purchase merchandise from wholesalers. Wholesalers only sell to other businesses, so if you don't have the business license and a reseller certificate, they won't be able to sell any goods to you. So what I did is I created an LLC in my state, Illinois, and I paid $500 for that. And I did not use any of the websites out there because they charge, I think, $150 to fill out pretty simple forms that you can do yourself in only like 2 minutes. So what you have to do is just get the form, put your name, your business address, and people that are going to be associated with this business. And once you do that, what you have to do is just send it out to the Secretary of State of your state. So I send it out to the Illinois Secretary of State, and I paid additional filing fee of $150. And after you do that, what you have to go do is just go to the IRS's website and get an employer's identification number. I know a lot of the websites out there charge you for that, but it's really simple to get, and I guess you can just Google it and you'll find a way how to do it. So you don't even have to pay the $75. And after that, you will just have to get a reseller certificate, and this is also free. So if someone's telling you have to pay for it, don't listen to them, just Google it, and you will be able to find how to obtain a reseller certificate in your state. So the total for my startup cost was $650, and maybe I had to pay some fees for the cashier's check, but after that, let's go into the monthly fees. So here are my monthly costs. I pay $28 for my accounting software. So Xero is basically a bookkeeping software, and A2X basically just grabs all of the transactions from Amazon, so any sale that I make, and just imports that straight to Xero. So another expense, monthly expense that you will incur is professional selling account. You have to pay $39.99 every month to be allowed to sell on Amazon, and it's very important that you have this account, because if you don't have it, you won't be eligible for Prime, and if you're not eligible for Prime, your sales will not be good. And the next expense that I have is scanning software. So in my videos I showed you guys the scanning software that I use, AMZ Analyzer, and there's 3 options that they have. They have 2-day pass that costs you $10. They have 5-day pass that costs you $20, and they have monthly subscription that costs you $29.99. I try to avoid any monthly subscriptions because I think it's just throwing away the money. I use the scanning software maybe 3 to 4 times a month, so I don't think I should pay $29 for that. And other ones like Bulk Crables, Amazing Tool, or Price Checker, their prices are even higher. So definitely you should not buy this monthly. Just buy it when you need it, and other than that, just get rid of it. You don't need it, and you don't need to pay it for monthly. And the next software that I used is TextJar, and I paid $19.99 for it. So basically what it does, it tells you how much taxes you own for each state, but after a couple of months I just canceled it because I'm not paying taxes to all of the states. The only state I'm worried about now is my state, so Illinois. I just fill it out there, but other than that, I don't use TextJar anymore. And the last expense is internet. Yeah, I have the basic version of Comcast, so it's a $19.99 expense. But other than that, so if you guys enjoyed this type of video, give me a thumbs up. And if you want me to talk about maybe accounting software or any other things that you're interested in, let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.